In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes in Google Docs. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive in. First, you want to start by opening your browser. You can use any browser that's comfortable for you, like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search engine of choice and type Google Docs. This should bring you to the main Google Docs page. If it's your first time using Google Docs, you'll be directed to log in. Simply enter your Google account credentials, and you'll gain access to this powerful tool. Should you find yourself creating a new account for the first time, Google will guide you through a quick setup process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open the document you wish to edit. If you have a specific document in mind, you can easily find it under the Recent Documents section or by using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you've opened your doc, let's locate where in your text you'd like to insert a footnote. This is usually where you've referenced a source or where additional information might be beneficial for the reader. To do this, simply click your mouse to place the cursor at this spot in your text. After positioning the cursor, your next step is to find the top menu bar and click on Insert. The Insert menu is your gateway to adding various elements to your document, such as images, links, and, of course, footnotes. Within the Insert drop-down menu, you'll discover a section titled Page Elements. Hover over this section, and you'll see the option for Footnote. Go ahead and click on Footnote. Once you've selected this option, you'll notice a numbered marker appear right next to your cursor's position in the text. Simultaneously, a corresponding numbered area reveals itself at the bottom of the page. This is now the space where you can type in your footnote text. The footnote might contain additional context or references that offer deeper insight into the content above it. Remember, simplicity and clarity are key when composing your footnotes. That's it. You've successfully inserted a footnote into your Google Docs document. This feature is incredibly useful for academic work, extensive reports, or any document where citing sources or providing extra information can enhance your reader's understanding. Feel free to add as many footnotes as necessary throughout your document. You repeat these steps each time you wish to insert another footnote. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to adding footnotes in Google Docs. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.